happened to Huey was just wrong on so many levels.
Driver Sugar Ray says when Houston was murdered, it came as a shock, and to everyone in the field, it was senseless.
For maybe $100 or whatever, take a guy's life. Absolutely unbelievable.
Sugar Ray hasn't been driving cabs for long in this valley. He's originally from LA. Driving for Five Star is a retirement gig. When it comes to finding an address, he relies on a computer, something Houston never had to do.
Want to talk about a human GPS, kiddo?
He says when he first got started, the murdered cabbie was a lifesaver.
Dumb lady can't find it, I would call Huey. And he would tell me which bushes I was going to pass on the way there.
The 16 years on the job coming in handy.
Hey, like, really? He goes, yeah, I know. You're looking at two giant trees. Just pull between them. There's a house back there. I'm like, no, bro, there's not. And then you pull between the trees and there'd be a house.
But Sugar Ray says Huey's charm was more than just knowing where he was going. It was helping people get there.
That was one of the coolest cab drivers in this county, and he always took real good care of our veterans and our elderly.
While Houston's fate weighs heavily on those in the same seat, Sugar Ray keeps things in perspective.
I don't really worry about it. I believe in humanity, I believe in people. And there are bad people out there, and if it's going to happen, it's going to happen. But
he just wishes it hadn't happened to Houston.
Best people for what's in their heart, and Huey had a big one.
Covering your news in Medford after dark, Caitlin Conrad, News 10 Good Morning.